Lately, we are hearing a lot about DevOps, and it's becoming more and more popular. So, what really is DevOps? Well, before you go to DevOps, you'd understand a concept called as continuous delivery. Continuous delivery is a practice which helps you release your softwares in quick successions. It's a cycle which it starts with build, deploy, and then you test your application and then release it to market. The whole focus lies on shorter release cycle, and DevOps comes into picture when you're talking about automating everything. So it's not wrong to say that DevOps in fact is a tool for continuous delivery, and that's just one aspect of DevOps. The second aspect is big data is becoming more and more popular. And if you have worked with any big data system like a Hadoop 2.0 cluster, you would know too many working pieces. You got Hadoop 2.0, Yarn, Apache Storm, Spark, Zookeeper, MapReduce, Mahot. The numbers of the working pieces are staggering. In order for them to work, the only way is to automate, and automate. And that's why you can easily say that big data needs DevOps. Now let's just go a little bit deeper into the DevOps cycle. An easy way to look at this is look at the dev cycle and the operation cycle. The dev cycle obviously starts first with planning for what kind of product you want to build. That's followed by coding, that is your actual development, followed by building, and then followed by testing, automated tested, UAT testing, and then the software is released. Once the software is released, it goes to deployment and operations, where it's exposed to the actual audience. While you're doing this, you're monitoring it to make sure SLAs are added to, and then you go back to the drawing board, new releases or bug fixes. And the most important thing about this is you have to look at it as a single cycle, DevOps. Next thing to look at is DevOps tools. You have to categorize the DevOps tools into these categories. One is the machine provisioning, whether it's AWS cluster, a local VMware provisioning, or just your virtual box. Vagrant is coming out as a popular tool in that area. Next one is software provisioning. That means once your machines are provisioned, installing the software stack. And Puppet and Chef are obvious choices in this area. This is followed by configuration management, which talks about actually configuring your softwares. Settings. Hira is one of the popular tools for Puppet. This is followed by monitoring your software stack, whether it's working in staging, QA, or production. Good old Nagios works very well. Finally, for your SLAs to work, you require a reporting and alert tool, which tells you when machines are down or not. PagerDuty is a good choice in this area. So, start with DevOps today. If you want to do faster time to market, if you want more reliable and stress-free release cycles, if you want more robust deployments and better SLAs. Basically, if you're doing something like delivering software as a service, you need DevOps. So don't wait. Learn more about DevOps. Visit Synergip's webinar channel to see upcoming webinars on DevOps, or visit our YouTube channel to see already recorded DevOps webinars. Last but not least, contact us at synergip.com for more information.